Yeah, the concrete will stuck. We probably need to do this on a metal workbench.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we got them red hot.
Right.
Let them cool down and we'll see how strong they are.